what's important to create successful startups is probably the same everywhere. I think that you have to have you have to have a vision. You have to have something that makes sense. I think somebody here mentioned that you don't want to start a company, or you don't want to invest in a company that doesn't have a customer. I don't necessarily believe that, because we invest in very early stage companies that often don't have even a product or a customer yet. But you have to be able to have a vision that makes sense, that you're connecting to something in the world that is valuable or needed. And then you have to put together, it's not just one thing, it's not just the technology, it's not just the team. You have to put together what we like to call sort of the whole program, the whole atmosphere to be successful. And a lot of times that includes making partnerships with many other companies and many other organizations. And those partnerships, especially in clean technology these days, you have to be involved with governments and municipalities. And it's something that's different now for clean tech than, say, in IT and other spaces, because in IT you can kind of go your own way, you can do your own thing. But when you start to talk about clean tech, there's more of a social involvement, and you have to oftentimes be involved in the municipal and the regulatory processes to be able to accomplish what you want to do. So it's the whole platform. It's not the technology. The technology has to make sense. You have to have a good team. You have to have a good idea. The technology has to have a home, and you have to be able to incorporate it into the whole community. It needs to make sense for the community, which is a bit different than in some other investment areas.